Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be playing Build to Find Treasure. So as you guys see, I have a boat right here. It's not really the best boat, but we are going to go find treasure. So let's go. Yes, I want to launch. By the way, comment down below how's your guys' summer going? Mine's almost over because I go back to school the 24th. But there's always next summer. Oh yeah, with that being said, I might not be able to record as much because I'm going to have a lot of stuff doing with school because you guys probably don't know, but I'm going to middle school and probably just going to have a lot of stuff that need to be done. So I apologize if I'm not going to be recording as much. I'll try and make as many videos before my school starts. And I'll try and make as many during when my school starts. Alright, hopefully my rocks... Hopefully I don't hit a rock right here. Oh, that was almost clean. That was almost clean. Alright, well, let's keep on trucking. Don't hit me. It literally looks like I'm just sitting on the bench. I really like the music to this. Oh, God. That's definitely going to get some big rocks and stuff. But yeah, I really like the music. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no, I don't have a chair anymore. Oh, no, why'd I jump off? Why did I jump off? Get back on. Ah, darn it. Alright, well, that was a little bit of a fail. Alright, so let's go to round number 2. Okay, guys. So, as you just know, I opened the chest, and I got one of these ladder thingies. Hang on. Hang on a second, guys. My mom texted me. I'll be right back. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, we have these, well, one ladder thingamabob. I think it's like to make another story. I don't have enough blocks for that, so I'm just going to use it for like decorations or something, and I can't get this in the right spot. Oh, okay. There we go. And there we go. I'm definitely going to be using that for decoration, though. Oh, come on. There we go. Now I'm going to make a cool, like, way to get on. It's going to be like this. Oh, no. Keep misplacing everything. Okay, so I got to make it on this side. Good thing you don't have a time limit to build your boat. I mean, that would be a good thing if they would add that in the game, but also not a good thing because if you had a time limit and then out of nowhere your time was up, that wouldn't really be a good thing. There, so that's like our way on. You know what, this will be... Where'd it go? Where did I put that? Where did I... Oh, it's right here. This thing's gonna be for decoration right here. So, like, you can, like, go right here and then... That's decoration. These will be too high. Then... Maybe we'll do that or something. which completely blocks the entrance, but that's fine by me. Because it's not like we have to get on this. Oh, now what am I going to do about these things? I'll put them on top of here. And then these will go here. And then let's do this. That's not bad. It's like a little feet rest right here. Let me see how long. Alright, 5 minutes, yeah. We might be able to do more than 3 rounds this time. I don't know. Depending on how much time this thing records for. Because if it doesn't go over 15 minutes or it's not close in 3 rounds, then I think we'll be fine to do another one. Let's just hope we don't die. Alright, we're gonna hit these rocks, I think. Yep. Ooh. Please don't fall off. Oh, it fell off too. Darn it. Hopefully we can somehow turn around so that way the rocks will start hitting the front and not getting towards my character. Because the seats will come off and then I'll die. Oh, I hate this part. No! Turn me around! No! Turn me around! Oh wait, those things are destroying it for me. Yay! Those things are like destroying the rocks for me. Yay! Now I don't have to worry about hitting them. Oh, come on. I swear this happened last time too. No, why did I just do that? Why did I just do that? Oh well. I didn't get much gold, so let's see what we get from this chest. 2 more of these. Alright. Hey, I didn't want to do that. Alright, well. Oh, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be doing this. Okay. Five right there. Guys, I seriously don't think this is gonna work. I need more blocks. Oh, come on. I don't want anyone joining my team. Unless I know for a fact you are a subscriber. Like, if you guys want to play with me when you join this, if you're a subscriber, you have to say you're a subscriber, and I'm going to ask you in the chat. I'm going to say, then what's my channel name? And if you get it right, then I'll know you're a subscriber, okay? So if you want to join me, make sure you know my channel name. Well, like, be on my team. So if you don't know my channel name, then I don't want any other people in here except my subscribers. And, okay. Just so I know that you guys are my friends. Because I don't want a bunch of random people coming on my island, you know. That gets annoying. Hey, I'm trying to walk around. Thank you. Okay, so we need to place these down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a good idea, actually, to do this. Do that, and then... that wouldn't look good there. Maybe, like, I'm lost. I'm just gonna do that. I'm not gonna use those benches this time. You don't have to use all the pieces, but I like to try to. But there's no room for those benches on this ship, so. Okay, this will probably be my last round, guys. No, 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 no. Down, no, 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 no. Down, no, 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 no. Oh, by the way, everyone, hope you're having an awesome weekend so far, even though today's Friday, but still, the weekend has just begun. So if you're not having an awesome weekend yet, there's still like 2 more days left. The only thing I hate about this, I don't know if you can see this, but I have bacon hair. Ugh, so ugly. Alright, well, let's see what happens. I'm going to be playing this a lot in Roblox, but I might play some other Roblox games too that you guys want me to play. Alright, no destruction whatsoever. Okay, no destruction still. And this is where things get bad. Oh, I barely hit that rock. I didn't hit it, but I was really close. So apparently there's probably an end to it. Oh no, my pieces came off. There's like an end. I've never been to the end yet, as you guys have seen. Why does this happen? Why does this happen? I always lose my seats. Let me open a chest. 2 of those. Okay, guys. That's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Make sure you like to see more videos. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you can get more videos. And have a great day. See you later.